Hi, so I'm gonna show you pretty much the project that I want you to do for me. So this is gonna be the software that we use. It's dealmachine.com. You would just need to log in. And I'll give you the login once you accept the project. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Then you would just go into the file. Let me see. And then I'm going to send you like the report that I want you to do. So right there. But I'm going to send it to you already like cleaned up. Right now it's still needs to be like scrubbed. So like you would pretty much oh, there it goes. So right here where it says the address, you would just copy, and then go to the software, and then you just paste it. And then 3342, and then you make sure this one matches, and then you just add it, and then press X, and then you just do that to the next one too. And then you click on it, and then you make sure it matches, and then you just click the plus, and that's it. So you pretty much do that for all the records that I'm gonna send you, and then there is some that aren't gonna populate. So the ones that don't populate, just create another spreadsheet for it. Okay, there it goes. So you create another one, and then you'll just put in the address that the ones that don't show up, put it right here. And then that way, when the whole project is done, I can add the numbers and make sure that you you entered the ones that weren't, like everything adds up the same amount of entries. And I think that's it. Just pretty much do that, and that's it. That's the whole project. I'll send you the list. That way you can see how many it's gonna be, and then you can tell me you can give me a bid on it and tell me how much you would charge me for it. Thank you.